Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching daily financial news on Insta TV. Financial markets are braced for active trading since early morning as the economic calendar is loaded with reports. Australia was the first to release its statistics. Australian consumer prices rose 0.6% in the fourth quarter at the same pace as in the previous one. Economists had expected headline inflation to accelerate to 0.7%. Inflation surged 1.9% from a year earlier. The fresh figure also fell short of expectations for a 2% growth. Nevertheless, traders expressed the same sentiment on the Australian currency. The Australian versus the US dollar pair is still trading in the range around 0.80. The Aussie is unable to win favour with investors as the Reserve Bank of Australia has been backing monetary policy of low interest rates for long. Besides, markets are not pleased with China's industry, the main consumer of Australia's commodities. According to the government data, business activity among China's largest factories dropped to 51.3 in January from 51.6 in December. The report revealed the weakest expansion since May 2017. The January figure came in below a median forecast of 51.5. Nevertheless, despite the decline, economists insist on a steady advance in the manufacturing sector. PMI in the non-manufacturing sector climbed to 55.3 in January, stronger than the forecast and the previous score. Meanwhile, the same trading sentiment is dominating the currency market. The US dollar is still trading in the same range. The dollar-yen pair is holding next to 108.65. Investors are discouraged with Donald Trump's speech in Congress. The White House leader spoke with a conciliatory tone. Now investors are alert to the outcome of the policy meeting of the rate-setting committee. Today, the Bank of Japan's governor spoke in the parliament in Tokyo, where he again stressed there is a long way before inflation hits the 2% target level. So the policymaker delivered a message that the regulator is going to keep an ultra-easy monetary policy in the long term amid sluggish consumer inflation. Another market-moving event today is the ADP report on employment in the US private sector. Upbeat figures could increase investors' optimism on the US dollar. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.